Hey guys, it's me. I don't remember if I've done this before. This one, uh, birthday cake Kit Kat flavor. But uh, regardless, that's what I'm doing. If I have done it before, you can tell me in the comments. But see, like this flavor, it's not really a Kit Kat compared to the others I've tasted, like the original Kit Kat and the ones from Japan. Like, I feel like this flavor is the least Kit Kat-y of them all. But it tastes good. I wouldn't buy it again, but it tastes good. Nonetheless, it doesn't taste bad necessarily, but it's just a meh for me. But you can, I think you can find that at Candy Fun House. And yeah, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video, hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload. And yeah, so thanks for coming to watch, and I'll see. Oh wait, hold on. If you've stayed here till the last second, make sure you write down in the bottom comments Kit Kat. Thanks so much. Bye guys.